Looking at me now, most people would probably assume that I was a natural-born salesperson. Perhaps it's easy to assume that anyone that can feel comfortable getting up on stage and talking in front of a group of people must be a natural extrovert. I'm incredibly introverted. When I was in late high school, I had a reading speed of a 6th grader. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. And luckily enough, I survived high school. But what I did know is that I needed a year off before I looked at university. What I thought I'd do is I'd hide away inside a real estate agent's office. In the back office, just doing small duties. Please no one notice me, I need a year to rest. Luckily or unluckily, fate had its way, and 4 weeks before Christmas, the company closed down. I had to go and find a job very, very quickly. I didn't come from a very rich family, so I had to work it out. Every time I went into a door and was learning to sell, I knew that they were judging me on A, the fact that I didn't know what to say, and B, the way I looked. The job that I took was selling telecommunications door to door. It took me 93 doors to make my first sale. Now, it was mentioned before that nobody really gets much sales training. I had 5 days of product training. I knew the call rates better than anyone on the planet. I had no idea how to sell. No one taught me. 93 doors of rejection. 93 doors of being told no. 93 doors of wondering what the hell I was doing. On my 93rd door, I finally made a sale. And I remember I was so excited. I'd made about $70. And all of a sudden, things were looking great. Until it occurred to me, I've got to do this again tomorrow. The thought terrified me. I had to find an option. And for me, picking up a Brian Tracy book or a Zig Ziglar book wasn't going to work. I had a reading speed of a 6th grader. It would have taken me 6 months to get through it. For me, the answer was on YouTube. Believe it or not, there's more than just cat videos on YouTube. So I started with learning rapport. Then I worked out qualification questions. Then asking questions to find out what my benefits of my product, how I could link what they needed to the benefits of my product. And on it went for about 6 weeks. Continually learning every night, continually trying new things, seeing what worked, seeing what didn't work. 6 weeks later, I was outselling the best salesperson in the nation for the largest sales and marketing company in the Southern Hemisphere.